frequently asked question we get is, why do you guys ask for deposits? The reason that we ask for deposits is, number one, it keeps a little skin in the game. Typically, a lot of people say if a company asks to ask for deposits, then who are they? Well, they're actually a legit, trustworthy, probably organized company that wants to make sure that their workload is locked in and everybody's good. Typically, when we all put money out there, we put a little skin in the game. We're very loyal to each other, and that's the way it should be. So for us at Liscombe Tree Service, for years, we found it to work the best way, and I urge you to maybe try this with it. And if a customer isn't really willing to give you a little bit of skin up front after you've invested so much time into advertising, getting them taking the call, fielding it, looking at their job, then you should maybe question a little bit too. Remember, every customer isn't for you. So for us, once again, 20% deposit is due upon completion, and in order to schedule the work. We will not lock you in on a schedule until we receive that 20% to know that we're all serious about this. Once we do the work and complete it, it's invoiced and everyone's happy. We then obviously, generally, it's cash upon completion or check, whatever, payment upon completion. We will then collect the remaining 80% at the time the job's done and everyone's happy. So that's the way we do it here. That's the way I believe everyone should do it, and it works really well. Have a good day.